Welcome back! Today I'll show you one of my favorite effects. I'll use L curl lashes. This is result of making eyeliner effect. So now my client is already prepared to extension. I put it patches, tape. Now I'm gluing tape to the outer corner, so you see how I extend, how I glue L curl lashes to her eyelashes. You see this angle, you see this direction. It's almost it's turned to the template lashes. Now I'm gluing 13 lashes, like 25 or even 30% of your eyelid will be a length of 30. Gluing to each of your eyelashes. No any other length. It's like how we work with L curl lashes. This is not wispy effect. This is eyeliner effect, which will make your eyelashes like Asian lashes, like cat eyelashes. Your round eyes will become long Asian eyes with a lifting of your outer corners. Gluing. I make wet effect for eyelashes. I'm gluing spikes, not single ones. I use like 3 or 2 lashes with each spike. It's very important to make right direction. If direction will be right, your eyelashes will look neat, and it will look very full, very interesting. You see, I still glue in 13, only 13 spikes. Don't skip any of your natural eyelashes. Absolutely all of your natural lashes have to be extended. You see how full they are. It's still 13. And the direction right to the outer corner, to the templates. It's very important to choose a right kind of eyelashes. It depends of angle of natural lashes growing. If you will check different kinds of L curl lashes, you will see different angles of these lashes. My girl have like pretty much regular ones. Her eyelashes are growing straight, so I'll use the regular kind of L curl lashes. But we have different angles for down growing lashes, for up growing lashes, and it depends which kind of effect you want to make. I try to achieve eyeliner effect. I want to make Asian eyes for her because she has Asian type of face. She has big full lips, cute nose, straight black hair, and it will look very interesting and unique for her. She will look interesting after extension. I'll show you their full face after my work. So now I gluing the tape to the inner corner because I already glued 13s. Okay, here I'll put C curl lashes. It will be couple of 7ths C curl lashes. Okay, C curl 7ths, C curl 8ths, and then the 9 I'll mix. 9 will be L curl to the bottom part of your eyelid, and C curl 9s will be on the upper part of your eyelids. So it will look neat, and you will not see the difference between them. You see? C on the upper part, L to the bottom part to create eyeliner. And you need to pay attention to the direction of eyelashes. The direction of outer part will be to the template, and the direction of inner part is to the nose. You see, it will make full look of your eyelashes, and it's still classic because I use spikes, spiky look, and your eyes will look long, and your eyelashes will look very full, very dramatic, and very black. We can keep going and make full and a black look because our client has black hair and black eyebrows. Now I'm gluing 12ths and 11ths to the outer part. Ten in between and 9ths to the inner part of your eyelid. The most important tip is the direction. When you will make this effect, check this video one more time. Check the your situation and compare with mine to make sure that everything is doing great. You see, I still glue C curl to the upper part, L curl to the bottom part, okay, now I'm working to the 11ths, gluing 11ths and 10ths, gluing 10ths in between of upper and bottom part. This is the result of our work. Do you see how she is gorgeous? I love this effect.